Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into Helium Mobile, the phone service that promises affordable plans and a unique decentralized network. Let's see if it's really worth it. What it is. Helium Mobile is a wireless carrier that combines traditional mobile coverage with the decentralized network run by the Helium blockchain. The goal is to offer cheaper phone plans while rewarding users for helping expand the network. How it works. Instead of relying solely on big telecom towers, Helium Mobile uses a mix of existing carrier infrastructure and community-operated hotspots. When your phone connects through these hotspots, you're still getting full coverage, but you're also part of a network that earns rewards in the form of cryptocurrency, specifically mobile tokens. You can manage your plan, payments, and rewards directly through their mobile app. Who it's for. This service is mainly for budget-conscious users who want affordable nationwide coverage, tech enthusiasts interested in blockchain and crypto rewards, and anyone who wants to be part of building a community-powered mobile network. Pros: very affordable plans compared to major carriers, crypto rewards for participating in the network, nationwide coverage through a combination of partner networks and hotspots, easy app management for your plan and rewards. Cons: network is still in its early stages, so hotspot coverage can be limited in some areas. Crypto rewards depend on market value, which can fluctuate. May not be ideal for people who want premium tier coverage without any gaps. Recommendation. So here's my take. If you're looking for a low-cost phone plan and you like the idea of earning crypto on the side, Helium Mobile is worth trying, especially if you live in or near an area with strong hotspot coverage. But if you need rock-solid nationwide service without relying on a new network model, you might want to stick with a more established carrier for now. So that's it, guys. Let me know your thoughts on Helium Mobile in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews.